Hi, YouTube fam. My name is Roxy, and on this channel, we talk about everything money.
Before we jump into today's topic, if you will go ahead and subscribe if you are new here, hit that notification bell to stay abreast on new uploads, and feel free to drop a comment, like, and share so that we can help reach others that may benefit from this content as well. And again, I do thank you. Hey. I hope everyone is doing well on today. I am here to share with you another hot job lead. Now, before we get started, when I say the links to every job is in the description box below, this is exactly what I mean here, okay? Just to show you. So once you're on that desired video, you will scroll here. When you see more, click on more. And now here's the links to the video. You will go here, online job links, and go ahead and click on the link that you desire to apply for. Okay, I will have the name of the company, the description of the job, not the description, but the name of the job or the title, and then the pay if the pay is available. All right, so just want to show you how to navigate through the YouTube on that. So hey everyone, I'm here to share with you another job lead. So this is from Amplify, and it is in data entry position, okay? And you can make up to $3,916.67 per month in this position from home, might add, okay? To get started in this job lead here, it's a remote United States. So with Amplify, a pioneer in K through 12 education since 2000, Amplify is leading the way in next generation curriculum and assessment. Our captivating core and supplemental programs in ELA, math, and science engage all students in rigorous learning and inspire them to think deeply, creatively, and for themselves. Our formative assessment products turn data into practical instructional support to help students at every skill level build a strong foundation in early reading and math. Our programs provide teachers with powerful tools that help them understand and respond to the needs of all their students today. Amplify serves over 11 million students in all 50 states. Okay. The Amplify Data Analytics and Data Governance team is looking for a data entry professional. This role will assist various customer care and support departments with manual data entry and manual data cleanup initiatives. To do well in this role, you need a very fine eye for detail, outstanding typing skills, and familiarity with Excel or Google Sheets. This is a short-term contract position and could be perfect for students or teachers over the summer months, okay? Your responsibilities: meet with team lead briefly in the morning to raise any issues, concerns, roadblocks regarding your task assignments, coordinate with departmental directors or their managers to gain an understanding of the data entry or data cleanup needs, manage timeline and set expectations appropriately, ability to self-manage, set and meet deadlines, and ask for help when needed. The basic requirements: at least 18 years of age, proficient typing and spelling skills, demonstrated knowledge of and skill in word processing and spreadsheets, experience using the G Suites, Google Sheets, your preferred or qualifications, experience with technologies and tools such as Salesforce, NetSuite, process oriented with great documentation skills. That's preferred, but not required. We celebrate diversity and are committed to creating an inclusive environment for all employees. To that end, we seek to recruit develop, and retain the most talented people from a diverse candidate pool. Amplify is an equal opportunity employer of minorities, females, protected veterans, and individuals with disabilities. This position may be funded in whole or in part through American Recovery and Reinvestment Act funds. Amplify Education Inc. is an is an E-Verify participant. All right, so to apply for this position, if you are interested, you'll click the apply button at the top left, okay?
For those who stuck around this long, I will give you a bonus tip on that typingtest.com site I told you about in a previous video. You will see how it looks whenever you log in and get ready to take your test, okay? So stay tuned for that. Thank you. So you'll go ahead and click on the 1-minute test and you'll hit start test. Then you'll just start typing here. All right, so once you're done doing that, you'll hit close. And it'll analyze your results. And see how I got 48 words per minute at 100% accuracy. And then it has the net speed as well as 58 words per minute. If you want to retake the test, you can go ahead and retake the test and all of that great stuff as well, okay? But just want to show you how this tool works. And this is a good way to get your typing skills up, okay? Thank you so much for watching. And as always, please share, like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And have a great day.